Let's do the big ones first
Because
then.
you don't think if you take that machine and go down in there first, that won't stop the pain, and all it.
No, it won't get rid of it. Because I still have to trim down on those corners.
Okay.
So I'll go real easy and see if we can do it without hurting too much. Okay, so let's do that one first. You sure you don't want me to numb these up?
Yeah, you know.
Okay, big chunk. There we go. But I think having you come back a little more often has made these easier to tolerate, right?
Yeah. Because I couldn't do it once a month, huh?
Well, you can do it as frequently as you like. Insurance will only pay every 60 days or every 62 days or something
Oh,
like
okay,
that.
so that's why it's every
Right,
2 months.
so people do come sooner than 2 months, but it's just they pay for every other one then.
Oh, okay.
So, now we've talked about removing these
I
nails
know.
too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I stay on, man. I don't know. I'm like, do I want to do it?
Well, it's always an option. It's not something you have to decide today. And I think in your case, given how painful those big toenails are to trim,
Mm-hmm.
and the fact that you're young and healthy enough that you could take care of them afterwards, it wouldn't be a bad thing
Yeah.
in your case, just on those big toenails. The rest of these aren't bad. Okay. Now, does that feel a little better than when you came in?
Yeah, feel a
Okay.
lot better.
Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use little teeny bites here.
Okay. I'm about to run out the shower.
You what?
Run out the shower, but I've been soaking them
Okay.
and using the lotion, the cream you gave me for them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, to try to keep them a little soft so they won't be so hard when you. To keep the white stuff your tooth said to make it keep that from being.
Right.
Yeah.
So they don't get too thick and
Yeah.
too brittle. Yeah, I mean, look, this is probably the least pain.
I had since I've been coming here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this was a piece of cake compared to how...
Yeah, so I'm going to keep making sure I do it. I've been doing it more than twice a week.
Okay, great.
Yeah, because usually I'll be in here.
Yeah. Usually you would have some choice words as I get those edges out.
Yeah. Or I'll be like, numb them. Don't even touch them yet. Numb them. I think maybe that'll help them more.
Yeah, because we have had to numb the toe in order to trim those in the past, yeah.
Oh, that wasn't bad this morning. I probably couldn't sleep last night. That's probably why I was tossing and turning.
Oh, you were nervous?
Yeah, because I can't sleep. I keep looking at time. It was 3-something, 4-something, 5-something. Then when I woke back up, it was like 7:20. I'm like, I might as well go get in the shower.
You know, for that reason alone,
I need to get these toenails off, though.
You know, taking them off would relieve that worry.
Yeah.
And relieve that stress.
Because I'm like, I swear I don't want to feel like up to no pain.
Yeah, and I don't strongly recommend it for most people, but in your case, given how painful these are, you would be someone where I would say you're the perfect candidate for removing these. Now, a lot of people who are much older can't get down to their feet, they can't take care of them afterwards. So that isn't even an option on the table for a lot of patients. But, again, but we're able to keep you comfortable like this, right?
Yeah.
So it's a choice, and
Yeah, but that stuff be much thicker, and the white stuff that be up in there.
is much less than it had been, yeah.
I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. I put some mail in that mailbox across the street. They do go pick up the mail from over there.
Yeah, I think they do it like twice a day or something.
Oh,
like that.
okay. Even that nail that used to stick up, and not in the middle, it's even down, even since you've been using them.
Right, because we can thin it out a little bit better.
Yeah.